Hi, want to know how to factory reset your CMV Buds Pro 2nd? So, as a first step, you need to make sure that both of the earbuds are located inside the case, but do not close the case. As a next step, we would need to find this button, which is located at the right bottom corner. And now, to perform a factory reset, we would need to hold this button for a few seconds. And now the question, how do I know when I need to stop holding the button? We would need to take a look on this indicator. Firstly, it will blink by white few times and then it will blink by red. And when it starts blinking red, that's the time when we can release the button. So let's do it. I'll start holding this button and let's take a look on the indicator. So now the indicator is white and we wait until it will turn red. Now, when it's red, I can release my finger and this is it. The factory reset has been successful. But always remember that after a factory reset, you would need to reconnect your earbuds to the device that you have used to use them with. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.